好，咁我可以開始啦。So I'll start today's course by talking about the uh, room plan. So basically, today I will model the second floor plan. Let's say the second floor plan, which is this one. So this is already available for you on lesson 8 and 9 on Moodle for you to reference. But basically, this is the second floor plan, and this is the extent of the walls that we would have to model for. So let's go to our model. Let's go to the floor plan 2F. As you can see, we have let's say the floor plan, but this is in AutoCAD. So this is in the imported category. So if I click none, actually, how do I? Okay, so if I unreference everything, you will see in my model that there's nothing in the floor plan. So basically what we have to do in this lesson is to model the walls and maybe put in the columns as well. So one thing that I quickly realized in this model is that it doesn't have, it only has the vertical grid, but it does not, let's say this 1, 2, 3, 4, but it doesn't have the A, B, C, D, and E grid. So we have to quickly put that in first before we start modeling the walls. So I will model it with you right now to yeah together. So we'll do the grid here just by dragging, and then actually you can rename it to A. So this gives us the wall grid, and after that we have to put in B, C, D, and E grid. And for this, we can reference the center of the column. And sometimes actually also I want to touch on how the reference lines are laid out. What you should do here is to change the color of the lines, because otherwise you can't tell what kind of things that you have modeled in your model and what other things that you still have to model. Okay, so basically to change the color of the line is to tap VB. VB is the visibility graphics, is the hotkey for imported graphics. And for the imported graphics, because it's separate into layers, you have to click on the plus sign, select everything, click override, and do a color override. So the color override can be any color. Maybe I will use some brighter color, maybe red, or maybe yellow, or maybe red, or maybe green. And then since also the weight of the line is quite thick, I can override it, maybe choose it to be thinner, maybe 2, and then click apply. So when I click OK, you can see that all of the reference lines on my 2F drawing is already changed to green line. So now I can know what kind of things have been modeled, what kind of things have not yet been modeled, and the line is thinner so that I can reference it. Okay, so we will continue to draw out our grid. So this is the B grid, and then we will have the C grid here, doesn't have to be perfect, but you should just lay out a grid because the grid will determine where you place your walls and where you place your column. Okay, so the column is mostly placed at the intersection line of the vertical and the horizontal grid, right? So doesn't have to be perfect, but we have to lay it out first before we draw the walls and the columns. Okay, so now I have laid out the grids, and then I can, make sure all the grid lines are lining up together. Just tidy up the drawings. Okay. Okay. So this is what you should have now. You should have the outline, the walls, and then you should have the wall plan, reference wall plan in the middle in green. Okay? Or in any other color that you prefer. 好，有冇人係未跟到呢一步嘅？其實就係要開翻你嘅個 file 啦，跟住之後畫翻啲 grid line 啊落去啫。其實我錄唔錄到咧，我都唔知。喂。OK，microphone 好似係 work 嘅。recording 嘅。好，咁我哋大概咧就會做到呢一步啦。咁如果你哋未跟到或者有問題咧，我就最後先去到同你哋講啦。因為我而家譬如做緊個錄影咧，咁我就費事 break 太多時間，咁中間你哋睇翻咧又會有啲即係睇翻你又好難睇到咁樣啦。咁所以我會 continue 咗先，咁我諗而家10點鐘啦，我諗我11點鐘嘅話咧，就應該差唔多講完，或者10點9可能都講完㗎啦。咁嗰陣我先再去逐個 case 睇你哋，或者你哋有啲咩問題，到時就可以發問啦。咁而家你可能留住你嘅個問題先，咁我哋之後逐步再去睇。Okay, so now we will start drawing interior walls. So we will have to go to the architecture tab, click on wall, or we can do the hotkey WA. So after you do it, make sure that you change what you're drawing from, let's say, curtain wall or other wall types to wall generic 140 millimeter. The reason that it's 140 millimeter is because it is interior wall. So draw out the interior wall basically. And a reminder for interior wall is that you can just change it to one of the settings for finish face. It can be either exterior or interior, and when you draw, it will go to one direction, so you can use space bar to change the direction. 即係你哋畫嗰個牆嗰陣，你就唔好用 center line 啦，你用咗 exterior align to exterior face 或者 interior face 先，跟住咧你就撳 space bar 去到 flip 佢係入去同出去嘅 ，OK， 好，咁跟住你畫啦，咁就可以，即係其實你可以畫得大膽少少嘅，即係你可以分配啲房間咁樣啦。So you can draw it very quickly, and you can draw it in a way that is just defining the spaces. OK。咁跟住咧，你哋會有個問題咧，就係嗰啲門點算咧咁樣？咁嗰啲門唔使擔心嘅。你譬如你有個門嘅話咧，你譬如呢個 case 啦，有個門喺個邊嗰度啦，咁你就唔好將佢 唔好畫到，即係嗰埲牆咧，你就唔好畫到呢度啦，你就畫埋去畫落去埲牆嗰度，OK？即係你唔好留翻個位係放嗰個門嗰度，因為如果你留翻個位係放嗰個門嘅話咧，你就會我 3D 俾你睇啦，我就開個 scope box 啦，action box，我 3D 俾你睇嗰個樣啦，即係如果你畫咗嗰道門嘅話咧。佢咧就會即係如果你唔畫嗰埲牆 all the way 嘅話咧，佢就會有個裂口啦。咁你裝到門咧，就算你裝咗道門咧，即係你唔會裝到道門啦。第一，第二就係你就算裝到道門咧，你上邊都會有個漏空嘅位嘅。OK，所以 so what we should do is we should do WA wall and then we should draw it all the way against the wall. You can draw it into the wall as well. It doesn't matter. It will automatically cut off for you. But please, when you draw, you should put a wall first, and then we can put a door in here. Right. So it's better to use a plan. So that you know which direction, and you can use the space bar to change the direction of the flip of the door as well. So 咁呢個咧就係一個比較標準嘅牆同埋門嘅一個情況啦。OK，一個情況咁樣。咁 basically 咧，你就要將所有嘢畫晒啦。OK，so let me talk about how to draw the curve walls. So for the curve wall, you should choose the start, end, and radius arc. And you can, let's say you can draw it and then use the start, end, and radius to draw it basically. So this is one of the wall. So please don't use a pick line to draw it, because if you use pick line, then the wall is divided into multiple segments. Then this is how it would look like. So versus what I've drawn earlier here, this is segments of walls that we don't want to have, right? So don't use the pick line component to draw it. Draw it with one single stroke with the arc. Okay. So basically, this is how it should look like, and it should be that simple. It should be just one 3 clicks, and then you get one more. Okay. And then, so this is basically just fixing some of these small details, and then I will continue to draw the walls. Okay. And then we can put in doors later, but I will just continue to draw the walls first.好，跟住你有時咧，你畫下啦，跟住你想畫 curve 咧，你可以唔睇 exit out 啦，咁你就繼續撳呢個 start and radius 咧，咁你就其實可以係啦，你就可以一路咁樣撳啦。OK。 呢個勁快。誒、我 center line line 有啲位係好難。OK，大概當埋咗呢個喎。唔係好準，其實唔係好緊要嘅，即係你有啲人就會覺得一定要好準確，咁又唔係，因為其實最後嗰張 drawing 都唔係話會即係你有一個位其實唔係好啱嘅話咧，我寧願你一路繼續去畫多過你一定要畫好嗰個位，因為最後都可能唔係好 show 到嗰個位係歪咗少少啊，或者係咩？OK。Okay, so I will continue placing the interior walls, and I hope that you can use the class time to do it as well. And then after placing all the interior walls, I will place the columns. But let me take the time to put in the interior walls first. OK，咁跟住咧有啲牆咧就大概你見到佢係咁樣樣曲線咧，咁你就可以畫下啦，又係你就可以轉翻 start and radius。咁最好就唔好用 pick line 嗰個方法，因為嗰個 pick line 嘅方法咧會令到嗰埲牆咧有好多個節點咁樣啦。咁譬如你其實見到我畫，就算畫呢個咧。都有少少唔準確嘅，即係譬如我有時啲 line 咧綠色嗰條咧我都唔係對得準，咁其實又唔使對得咁準嘅，因為譬如呢啲都係嘅，你即係如果佢係有少少唔同咧，你就由佢啦。即係如果有好大唔同嘅，你成個冇畫到嘅，咁你就畫翻啦。咁當然，但係有好少唔同咧，你又唔使咁 OCD，即係要畫翻佢嘅一定。OK。好，咁咧跟住呢度咧有個90度fillet 咁嘅牆啦，咁你可以畫翻佢有一個 fillet arc 嘅 component 嘅，咁你可以用翻呢個，或者你唔中意嘅話咧，你可以用翻 start and radius。咁但係我會試下用呢個 fillet arc，咁就撳呢個牆同埋撳呢個牆，咁佢就會俾你去 determine 嗰個 fillet 係大概係幾多啦。咁你其實大概得㗎啦，你 overlap 到啲綠色嘅 lines，咁就大概做咗嗰樣嘢㗎啦。跟住咧，其實咧，你見到呢度有道門咧，其實你呢度可以加埲牆俾佢嘅都係，或者你可以 你可以即係拉隔離嗰埲牆過嚟咁樣，應該都得嘅咁樣。咁你俾翻，即係你俾翻個分隔佢先，因為其實我哋今堂會講多啲係嗰個分隔，或者用呢個分隔啦去講嗰個 room 嗰個 space，多於係啦，多過你係會去係啦，多過你係就唔好留空嗰啲位係俾嗰個俾嗰個俾嗰度咁樣。OK，跟住而家其實我就好似差唔多畫好，其實等我望下先，我只有上至下係咯，我差唔多畫好。OK，咁我差唔多畫好咧，但係我仲未做嘅一樣嘢係咩咧？我仲未去 place 個 column。OK，咁我哋 place 個 column 嗰陣咧，我哋就撳翻呢個 architecture column 呢個啦，跟住之後咧。佢有你會見到咩 universal column 咧，咁就應該唔啱嘅。咁我哋要去撳翻啦呢個 column，跟住下邊有個細嘅三角形啦，即係 drop down menu 啦，跟住撳翻 architectural column。OK，so 我又用翻英文啦。咁 we will use the column component to put down the columns. And remember, we only put down the columns at the intersection of the grids. So, okay, so this is how we put down the columns. And the size of the column should be roughly 350 or 358 millimeter diameter column. So it's up to you which one you use, but they are pretty similar in a way. And then, so remember to use the column architectural to place it down here. And go through each of the grid lines to see if there is a column and select, place them down on both of the intersection of both of the grid lines like we said to do earlier. So this column, this looks like the last column that I need to play. Oh, no, one more. Okay. Oh, 咁我就應該擺晒所有 column 啦。好，咁擺晒所有 column 之後咧，我哋咧就進入下一個 phase 啦，進入下一個 phase 啦。咁下一個 phase 係咩咧？其實我而家可以又係用 3D 啦，因為我已經畫晒啦嘛。咁我可以 3D 跟住去 import categories，second floor plan 我可以 untick 咗佢。咁其實我而家已經係，如果我去到睇我個 3D model 咧，咁我好快就已經可以畫晒呢個嗰啲 partition wall， 即係2樓 2F 嘅 partition wall。咁我而家畫咗嗰啲 partition wall 係用嚟做咩咧？咁佢咧就有個 command 咧，就叫做 room 或者係 RM 啦。即係呢個就係嗰個快捷鍵啦。咁我哋一齊睇下 room 係做咩嘅先。咁佢呢度有個 animation 嘅，咁我一陣間都會 show 一 show 呢個 animation。咁佢其實就係俾你去擺啲房啊 ，place 啲 rooms 啊，咁樣去到做嘅。咁大概佢就已經嗰個 animation 就 describe 咗係啲咩啦。咁我而家撳咗個 room 先，跟住之後咧。佢就會 show 俾你睇做緊啲咩嘅，咁你就會見到佢有個交叉啦，跟住佢喺個交叉嘅範圍之內咧，佢其實嗰個就係佢間房啦。咁如果咧假設你畫得唔好啦，或者畫錯咗，即係譬如話我畫錯咗係我呢埲牆嘅，咁我拉出嚟啦，崩咗嘅，咁我而家用 room 嘅話咧，其實佢好好就係佢即係崩咗佢都俾你啦，但係我直情 D 埋嗰埲牆啦。咁 咁佢就會覺得你講嘅呢一間房咧，呢度咧係一間房嚟嘅，你見唔見到？你一撳落去咧，佢就會一間房，因為藍色嘅線就會講話佢係一間房咁樣啦。咁跟住等我 go back 翻啦。咁當然就唔係啦，我哋嗰個就唔係一間房啦，其實呢個係一間睡房啦。咁我哋就要將佢去咁樣撳翻落去。咁有個方便大家嘅擺房嘅方法啦，方便嘅方法係咩咧？就係你哋最好咧，就係由上至下，由左至右去到擺嘅。因為點解咧？drawing set 咧通常即係我諗呢個係美國同埋香港或者中國嘅，或者英國、美國同英國嘅 difference 啦。美國人咧就好中意由右至左、下至上嘅 drawing 嘅。咁呢個係人哋嘅 drawing convention 啦。咁我哋嘅 drawing convention 咧就通常係由左至右、上至下。咁點解美國會有個咁嘅 convention 咧？就係因為佢係睇咗個 drawing set 嘅右下角，睇咗個 scale 啦，同埋佢 check 咗呢個 drawing 嘅 number 先，跟住佢就會中意係由右至左、下至上咁樣去到睇一個 drawing 嘅。咁但係我哋用翻英國嘅 standard 啦，或者我哋用翻香港嘅 standard 啦，就係由左至右、上至下嘅。OK， 好。咁首先咧，我哋就由左至右、上至下咁樣擺啲 room 啦。咁你會見到一擺咗落去咧，撳咗落去咧，佢就已經有個一字㗎啦。咁跟住繼續撳咧，就會有個二字。咁呢個就其實慳翻你好多時間，就係我唔使好似let's say 我擺錯咗嗰個 room number，就可能係呢個係1嘅，或者呢個係唔知啊6嘅咁樣。咁我要嗰個順序改翻啱嘅話咧，我就會嘥好長時間啦。咁你 place 個 room 嗰陣已經係 in 嗰個 order，你就撳，咁你就唔使你以後出嗰個 room schedule，人哋話你個 room schedule 你點樣 determine 第3或者第56間 room 咁樣，你隨時即係你隨時你一層有50間 room 㗎嘛，咁你點樣 determine？咁人哋問起你都唔知。係點樣 determine 嘅。咁但係好簡單啦，係咪？即係譬如你有50間房嘅話，咁你應該有一個 system 去到做啦。咁你當然你做嗰陣就撳，你就撳翻順次序嘅，就一定係 for 你嘅 benefit 嘅，唔係 for 人哋嘅 benefit 嘅，或者 for 你點樣去 show 你嘅 drawing 嘅 benefit 啦。好。下一樣嘢啦，就係當我去撳個 room 嗰陣咧，我會意識到咧呢度咧有間房嘅，但係佢呢間房咧，呢間房其實有個樓梯咧，佢係唔應該出現嘅。咁我可能要 delete 翻嗰條樓梯咯，或者係呢條樓梯係我諗係 delete 翻條樓梯啫，唔得。anyway 係我delete翻條樓梯。OK，咁跟住你會見到啦，我都係爭一埲牆啦，因為喺呢度其實佢會有埲牆啦，咁我就拉翻個埲牆過嚟先。咁最好拉牆嗰啲就喺個 plan 嗰度搞，咁就唔好咁係啦，冇咁煩咁樣。OK， 好，繼續可以，我哋可以繼續 place 嗰個 room 啦。咁如果咧，你嗰個 room 咧，有時咧，我而家講多一個情況啦，就係有時咧，你嗰個 room 咧有分，譬如 master bedroom 嘅，你有分 master bedroom 嗰個前廳嘅位啦，同埋後邊真係 bedroom 嗰個位咧。如果你想咁樣 define 嘅話咧，得唔得咧？得嘅，得嘅。我呢度畫少咗，我又畫翻啱先。好 OK， 好，畫翻嘅，跟住如果我想有一個 divider 嘅話咧，要點樣做咧？咁其實就係可以用呢個 room separator 啦。呢個 room separator 咧就係畫翻條線落去啦。咁跟住佢就加咗條線落去啦。咁你撳咗 room 嗰陣咧，其實佢就會多咗一個 room 出嚟啦，即係佢會有一個細嘅 room 啦，一個大嘅 room。即係可以，即係我教一教就係呢個係可以 即係你可以用即係日後。OK，咁跟住咧，你就可以撳翻由左至右上至下撳翻啲 rooms 啦。好，咁大概咧，我哋就已經撳晒所有 rooms 啦，撳晒所有 rooms 啦。咁你會見到咧嗰個 rooms 有少少唔同嘅，即係有嗰個 tag 嗰個狀況有少少唔同啦。同埋我哋要俾翻個名嗰啲 rooms 啦。咁我哋可能由頂到底俾翻嗰啲名佢咁樣。咁呢個係 bathroom 啦。咁我就打翻 bathroom，咁我就 copy 翻啦，因為有好多位都係 bathroom 嘅，咁我其實都係參照翻我哋喺 Moodle 嗰個 drawing 啦，就 bathroom 就 bathroom 啦，storage 就 storage，咁佢 color code 咗嘅，一陣間就再教嗰個 color coding 係點樣做啦。咁而家 basically 就係做翻嗰個 room，我哋呢個動作叫 room naming 啦，即係譬如室內設計就經常要 name 翻啲 room 嘅咁樣。咁啊 storage 我冇畫到呢個啦，咁我就搞呢個啦。咁呢個 room 咧，我哋 name 翻 storage，OK。跟住佢 master bedroom 有3個，咁我就又係 name 翻 master bedroom 咁樣啦。跟住 copy，咁我就應該咧 name 完晒之後咧。呢個都係 master bedroom 嘅，唔緊要啦，我咁大間我就開多一間房嘅。咁 name 完之後咧，呢個仲要 name 埋 hall 啦，OK，搞掂。未呢個仲又 name 埋呢個做 master bedroom 啦，OK。咁佢 name 完之後咧，其實好快你就會見到冇一間房應該會係 originally 嗰個 room 啦。嗰個 room 叫做 room 嗰個嘢嘅，咁代表咧你已經係成功咁樣 name 晒所有 room 啦，就係咁啦。好，咁跟住咧，我想講翻嘅就係、你哋去 manage annual admins sorry，我要揾下嗰個邊咧insert 呢度，OK。咁咧，你去翻 insert，我想 show 俾你睇咧，呢個 tag 咧唔係唯一嘅 tag。咁你可以 tag，即係你可以撳個 tag 啦，跟住你可以轉個 tag 係去 name and number 啦，咁就冇咗嗰個，即係冇咗嗰個 area 啦。咁但係佢亦都係可以 show 晒 meter square 同 square foot 啦，即係幾多尺同埋幾多 meter square 啦。咁佢亦都可以淨係 show name only 嘅。咁但係咧就再有喺呢個 on top of 呢個之外咧，其實咧仲有一啲仲有啲嘅。好，咁我 connect 咗啲，跟住我 show 俾你睇啦。咁但係佢就應該仲有啲 cloud base 嘅佢Autodesk 嗰個 sorry 我係揾唔到嗰個 Autodesk password 係咩嘅？ 哦，OK，我係開唔到呢個，收唔到俾你睇，唔緊要咯。呢個有冇 load family？等我睇下先。唔緊要咯。咁你哋可以用翻let's say 我遲啲再 show 俾你睇啦。但係其實佢有又唔係咁大問題嘅，佢其實係有唔同嘅方法去 show 呢啲 text 嘅啫咁樣。咁但係冇嘅話，我哋就用翻呢一個為例咁樣啦。咁我哋睇翻頭先呢個 Philistine 嘅 room tag 啦，咁佢其實就我諗你可以自由選擇係用 show 啲咩啦。咁但係你 show 個 room number，即係我諗其實 show 個 room number 啦，show 個 room 嘅名啦，同埋 show 個大細咁樣啫。咁所以我哋可以揀晒成層嘅嘢啦，跟住我哋又係做一個 filter 嘅動作啦，即係右下角有個漏斗咧，撳完之後咧，你就可以撳 check none 啦，跟住之後撳 text，即係我哋淨係想揀個 root tag 咁，我哋 filter 撳 OK，咁其實佢就會幫你揀晒所有 root tag 啦，唔使你自己逐個揀啦。跟住之後揀 name number with metric area，咁改晒佢咁樣，咁就得啦。有冇 number？name and number。anyway，咁我哋揀咗呢個 name number and room area 啦。跟住呢啲 text 咧，如果你想 adjust 咧，你可以 adjust 嘅。咁甚至乎你想 delete 嘅話咧，你都可以 delete 嘅。咁但係咧，佢個 room 咧就會做 exist 啦，但係佢個 room 咧就冇，你就 delete 咗佢個名啦。OK，好。咁跟住之後咧，我哋咧就去做下一樣嘢啦。再去做下一樣嘢係咩咧？就係去將呢一個整成為一個 colour 嘅 plan 啦。咁佢 colour 嘅 plan 究竟點樣樣做咧？就係其實好簡單啫，就係撳，我唔記得咗佢係啊，係啦，撳 annotate 個掣啦，annotate，跟住咧佢有個 colour fill 嘅，即係好簡單啦。我哋想油啲顏色咁樣就撳 colour fill 啦。跟住就係揀 colour fill legend 嘅，因為呢啲係 type legend 啦，就唔係我哋做嘅。Dub legend 都唔係我哋做嘅，即係嗰啲 mechanical engineer 做嘅。咁你呢個 colour fill legend 咧，其實佢就 kind of show 俾你睇佢會做啲咩啦。咁你撳咗之後咧，佢會有個咁樣樣嘅掣嘅。咁你求其將佢撳落嚟得㗎啦，即係你唔使理話要擺喺邊，你求其擺側邊得㗎啦。跟住咧。Space type 咧就將佢改成 room 啦，因為我哋擺咗啲 rooms 啊嘛。跟住 color scheme 咧就擺 room name，因為我哋 room name 每隻 room name 咧就 determine 咗佢嘅 color scheme 啦。咁如果你想每間房唔同 color 咧，咁你就擺 room number 咯。跟住但係如果你想譬如 bedroom 嘅係一隻色，跟住之後 hallway 嘅係一隻色，bathroom 係一隻色嘅話咧，咁你就擺 room name 咯。好，咁你就撳翻 OK。咁其實就就整咗呢個就整咗呢樣嘢啦。跟住咧，如果你覺得話，我唔中意呢隻好光鮮嘅顏色，咁你就可以 edit 嗰個 colour scheme 咁樣啦。咁係啦，咁你就自己再 edit 翻嗰啲 colour scheme 咁樣啦。咁但係我就而家喺呢度就唔講話，即係我就唔做呢個動作啦。咁你哋就自己去 edit 翻啦。OK，好，就係差唔多係咁先，咁就做咗呢一個 plan 啦。咁所以咧，其實你哋每一層咧都要做翻個 colour plan 嘅。咁有個都幾 neat 嘅方法咧，教一教你哋嘅就係呢個顏色好鮮豔啊！ anyway，係啦，顏色你哋就自己再調校啦。咁但係咧，譬如如果我而家係 2F 嘅 color plan 嘅話咧，咁咧我就可以改翻做 2F color plan 咁樣啦。咁就no，就唔好將佢改做嗰個嗰個 view 咁樣啦。咁你就可以撳一個 duplicate view 嘅。咁因為咧，其實嗰個 room tag 咧同埋嗰個 room color 咧係一個所謂一個 detailing 嘅 component。detailing 嘅 component 嘅意思咧就係話佢係一個 on top of 嗰個 drawing 或者佢有啲 walls 嗰啲嘢咧，咁佢有一個佢整咗啲 tag 啊 name 咗佢啊嗰啲嘢咧，或者係let's say 你個 drawing 有啲 dimension 咧。嗰啲就係 detailing 啦。咁如果你就咁撳 duplicate 嘅話咧，就冇呢個 with detailing 啦，就咁撳 duplicate 嘅話咧，咁佢就會出翻一個冇 color 嘅 plan 出嚟嘅。冇，佢都有 color。嗯。係嘅，我睇下先。咁我就可以 name 翻 2F 啦。跟住，有冇有 color？嗯。OK，咁你其實可以喺呢個 view 咧，你可以用 VV 嘅方法啦，VV 就係 visibility graphics 嘅方法咧，咁你就可以整走咗佢嗰個rooms 啊，即係 VV，跟住咧你可以喺 model categories 咧，你就整走咗佢呢個 R 六呢個 rooms 呢個位啦，咁佢就冇咗嗰啲 colours 啊。咁但係你譬如頭先呢個 color plan 咧，就會有翻個 color 啦。咁所以有時你呢個係 for 你嘅 future reference 啦。有時你係要畫啲 drawing，好似我哋要交嗰個咁樣嘅，我哋要畫一個 color plan 啦，係咪即係去show 翻俾人睇嗰啲 square footage？但係有時咧，你要交啲圖咧，純粹可能係一啲建築嘅圖嘅，或者係一啲圖只係講俾佢聽嗰個門係擺喺邊嘅，咁咧你就用翻一個，冇，即係你 duplicate 啦，without detail 啦，即係咁你就唔會即係冇嗰啲 detail component 啦，跟住咧你就可以做翻就係 show 翻俾人睇係一個冇 color 嘅 plan，淨係得啲 building 嘅 element 咁樣。OK，好。咁今堂就係講大概咁多，我哋 area room schedule sheet。好，咁因為鑑於咧，我下個禮拜咧講嗰個 sheet 咧，就會可能多少少嘢。咁我而家kind of show 咗俾你睇嗰個 sheet，即係我講多少少嗰個 sheet 先，跟住我哋下個禮拜咧就會再深入啲講嘅。咁一般嚟講啦，我用最後呢10分鐘講一講Revit 嘅 sheets 嘅 system 啦。咁一般嚟講咧，Revit 咧就有分兩大類，即係佢嘅嘢咧就有分兩大類嘅。一咧就係呢個 fields 啦，二咧就係呢個 sheets。咁如果你喺呢個 project browser 啦，即係如果你冇刪到呢個 project browser，其實呢個都幾重要嘅，就係一般嚟講，你最涉獵得多嘅話咧，喺呢個 course 啦，同埋喺第日啦，如果你用 Revit 嘅話咧，多數都係嗰個 relationship between 嗰個 fields 同埋嗰個 sheet 嘅。咁當然你話 legend 啊、schedule 啊嗰啲都會用嘅，同埋 family 啊同埋 groups 都會用嘅，但係就唔會係完全超多嘅用途咁樣啦。OK，咁我哋首先去到睇一睇呢個 sheets 裏邊係啲咩先。 咁咧你會見到其實你 double click 啦，double click 咗之後咧，其實就會有個 A100 unnamed 嘅 tab 開咗出嚟啦。跟住咧，其實就已經咧幫你畫好一個 sheet，有一個 drawing block 啦。咁當然你呢啲就要你去自己去到教啦，係咪？即係譬如如果我哋交呢個 assignment，我哋唔係 Autodesk 嘅咁樣，咁你咪 delete 翻嗰個 Autodesk，跟住 load 翻 into project 啦，跟住之後你自己咧再 base on 可能譬如呢一張圖咁樣咧。你就再去到調整啦。咁你自己如果中意擺 logo 咧，你就擺 logo 啦。跟住之後你可以 name 翻你自己個 project 啊 ，name 翻個 number 啊。同埋咧個 drawing 嘅 sheet number 咧，其實你唔需要喺度改嘅。你喺度改都得嘅。你喺度改嘅話咧，佢就自動會喺度幫你左邊就改埋。譬如我要 A101 嘅，咁佢就會左邊就會係，即係你喺呢度改咗咧，佢就左邊自動幫你改埋㗎啦。咁佢就會唔會產生，跟住咧你就可以 duplicate sheet 啦，係咪？你 duplicate empty sheet 咁又得啦，duplicate 一個sheet with detailing 咧又得，即係頭先講嘅 detailing 嗰個 concept 啦。咁但係咧。我哋 sheet number 咧係唔會撞嘅，即係假設我而家想將呢個改成 A101 啦，咁佢就唔得啦，佢就有個 error 咧同我講咧 sheet number is already in use. The same number of values can only be used once for all sheets directly in the model and once for all sheets per sheet collection。咁即係其實簡單啲嚟講咧，你建築圖咧，你係唔會用同一個 number 嘅，因為你用同一個 number，你話啊我個 sheet number 係A102嘅，咁你叫嗰個承建商去睇 A102咁樣，但係你 A102有3張嘅，或者有10張嘅，咁佢基本上嗰10張佢都唔知要睇邊張，OK？咁所以 sheet number 咧係一定唔會撞嘅，同埋呢啲圖則嘅話咧，佢係一個即係有一個有效嘅 document 嚟嘅，即係一個法律上有效嘅 document 嚟嘅。咁所以佢就唔存在於話你要係啦，你唔存在於你可以話改同一個 sheet number 係好多張咁樣。OK，咁所以記住啦，你嘅 number 咧係要唔同嘅。咁你喺度睇，你都見到 A101、A102、A103咁樣啦，etc. 啦。咁呢個你哋就自己去領略啦，個 drawing number。咁跟住咧，另外咧，我都想講多少少咧，就係關於嗱，而家如果我係 A101，跟住我而家 name 翻做 A102啦。好，咁我就講多少少係關於嗰個 fields 嗰樣嘢啦。咁咧，其實咧，你 fields 咧，你一 drag，即係其實好簡單嘅啫，就係你嘅 sheets 啦。即係我嘅 drawing sheets 啦，就係最後嗰張 A1 啦，佢呢個係個 scale 係 A1 啦，但係呢一張嘅 scale 好似係 A2 嚟嘅。anyway，咁我下堂exactly 嗰個 scale 嗰啲我再講啦，但係我講咗個簡單啲嘅 concept 先，嗰個 concept 咧就係。你有兩樣嘢啊嘛，我頭先講咗，一個係 fields 啦，嗱我哋又翻去呢個 project browser 啦，又翻去呢個 sheets 啦，講翻呢個 fields 同埋 sheets 嘅關係啦。fields 咧就係一啲圖樣或者一個好似你當 Rhino 咁樣樣啦 ，Rhino 個 viewport 嗰個樣咁樣啦。咁你個 viewport 你可以喐佢嘅，你可以 shift 佢嘅，你可以 crop 佢嘅。咁但係嗰個 view 咧就係一個 view onto your model，OK，即係佢係一個通常係一個 2D view 啦，有時係 3D 嘅，但係通常係個 2D view，即係 2D view 係咩咧 ？Plan section 啦、elevation 呢啲係 2D view 啦，OK。咁佢通常咧就係會嗰個 view 咧就係會 show show 你個 building 嘅一部分啦。咁即係譬如2樓嘅 floor plan 係你個 building 嘅一部分啦，OK。咁嗰啲 views 咧就要將佢擺落去個 sheets 上面，OK。 咁我哋而家一齊嚟啦，我哋又係 E.F 啦，因為我哋今堂係講 E.F 啊嘛。咁我就將個 E.F drag and drop 擺落嚟 ，OK？drag and drop 即係擺落嚟 ，OK？咁而家咧，我做咗一個好簡單嘅動作，就係淨係 drag and drop 啦，係咪？咁就擺咗落嚟啦。跟住咧，你會見到咧，你嘅 views 嗰度咧，呢度會起咗一個藍色嘅正方形格仔，起咗一個藍色嘅正方形格仔。咁係咩意思咧？我 show 俾你睇。嗱，我哋去跟住你會見到佢其實個 subcategory 都會 A101，跟住之後下邊有個 subcategory 就係嗰個 2F 啦。咁咧，我而家咧，如果想喺嗰個 A102 啦，即係唔係 A101 啦 ，A102 咧擺我個 E.F drawing 咧，佢會講話唔得啦。This view is already placed on sheet A101 unnamed. To place a similar view on a sheet, you can duplicate the view or duplicate with detailing command to create a copied view. blah 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 咁樣啦。咁即係咧，代表啲乜嘢咧？就係一個 view 咧，淨係可以擺落去一個位嗰度嘅啫。哪怕你係同一張 sheet 咧，都唔可以擺兩個同樣嘅 view 落去。OK， 再重複多次。Maybe this time I will repeat in English. So there are two things that matter the most in our Revit file when it comes to documentation. Two things. One is the views, and the other is the sheet. Views is basically mostly 2D views of your drawing. 2D views meaning plan, section, elevation, reflected ceiling plan, etc., etc. 2D drawings, views of your drawing. So every single view can only happen once in the file, once you put into your sheet naming. You cannot put more than one views in your drawing, okay? So you cannot put more than, so when I delete, let's say this 2F plan, you can see that the 2F plan is the blue square is gone, and you can never and when you place it back down, let's say now, the blue square is lighted up again. Okay, blue square is lighted up again. And when I try to put another 2F down, it will tell me an error, right? It will say that you cannot put another view on this sheet again. And in fact, you cannot put another view in any other sheet again too, right? But let's say if you want to have two of the same plan but showing different things, for example, we have this 2F plan and then this 2F colored plan, then you can see that I can actually place both of them on the sheet together just because I duplicate the view. Okay, so you can have multiple of the same plan in the view when you duplicate multiple views, but you cannot have the same view multiple times, more than once on a sheet or on any other sheet. OK， 好簡單，即係就係話你 use 咧，你用咗就唔可以用啦。OK， 但係咧你係啦，但係咧你就要 duplicate 你先可以用到，好簡單。OK， 呢個真係個 即係一個簡單嘅 concept 啦。OK， 好，咁就大概 conclude 咗我今堂，我就10:09啦，我話差唔多而家到10:09啦，咁我就可以 answer 翻你哋個問題。咁但係最主要其實今堂咧就係俾你哋去畫翻呢個 interior 嘅 wall partition， 跟住咧你要將個 wall partition 你要 name 翻佢啦，跟住之後 name 翻佢之後咧你要我諗改翻啲 tag 啦咁樣啦。跟住之後咧，你就要再將佢去 color code 嘅咁樣，咁你就可以 duplicate from 你之前嗰個 嗰個 floor plan 先至做咁樣啦，或者你可以最後 duplicate 咁樣，跟住之後再用 visibility graphics 去 adjust 翻佢嘅。好，咁我今堂就係講解住咁多，咁你見到係有啲亂嘅，即係而家我哋annotation 有啲就出晒界，跟住嗰個 view 又唔啱，嗰個 title 又唔啱，跟住嗰個 scale 我又未真係去 address 啊，跟住不過其實個 scale 都你見到大概係啱嘅，因為如果我係一比係啦，睇下先。望翻個 drawing 先，係啦，我呢個 drawing 係1:100嘅話啦，呢個 field scale 係1:100啦。咁其實我嗰個 scale 已經即係就咁擺落嚟，其實已經做啱咗㗎啦。不過你見到我有啲位咧，即係譬如呢啲我未擺翻啱啊，跟住之後etc 啦，呢啲咧 呢啲就係叫做 annotations 啦，同埋 sheets 嘅嘢咧，我就下一堂先講。咁我今堂淨係講到呢個 room seat 咁樣樣，OK 好，咁我就 conclude 咗我今堂要講嘅嘢啦，我都 stop recording 啦。喺我 stop recording 之前咧，都係提翻你哋就係頭先有啲人係可能遲嚟嘅，都要提翻你哋就係話你哋個 CA 咧，你哋都係要交翻啦，交翻上 Moodle 啦。咁呢個 chart 咧，我就擺咗喺你哋嘅 Teams 個 channel AV4 BIM 呢個 channel 啦嘅其中一個 post 啦，即係尾二嗰個 post 啦，而家睇嘅。咁咧黃色嘅咧就係你哋未交嘅 assignment。咁而家係 show 翻俾你哋睇，你哋未交嘅 assignment 啦。咁如果你哋未交咧，你哋盡量交咗佢。咁交咗佢之後咧，你咧就要通知我同 Andy，因為我唔會即係譬如我唔會知，譬如呢個人嘅 CA 4同5佢係交翻，但係佢冇交3、6同埋7嘅咁樣啦。OK，咁你就通知翻我哋啦。咁呢度都寫埋㗎啦，就係你哋記住要交翻呢個，因為如果唔係咧，你 missing 嘅話咧，我根本就俾唔到分你，咁我 automatic 我就擺個0啦，係嘛？咁但係你都唔想啦，係咪？你起碼你交啲嘢俾我，咁啊起碼你都可以俾我 grade 到，咁俾翻一個你 deserve 嘅分嚟啦。OK，咁呢個係提一提你嘅啫。如果唔係咧，就會 hugely impact 你個 CA 嗰個分啦。咁你 EA 咧，就算幾高分都好咧，都有可能你係 fulfill 唔到個 course 嘅 requirement 嘅。OK，好，咁我就 stop recording 啦。而家我就